Hello students, good morning. I am Chandrasekhar Trivedi and today I continue number system. Students, yesterday I explained you terminating and non-terminating numbers. Means what are terminating and non-terminating numbers and how you can convert non-terminating numbers in the form of P upon Q. Today I explain you some more example of non-terminating numbers, that how you can convert in the form of P upon Q. So let us see express 1.23 bar in the form of P upon Q. So there are two digits which are in repeating position 2, 3, because bar is on the head of 2, 3. So let x is equal to 1.2323 and so on. It is equation 1. Because there are two digits in repeat condition, so equation 1 multiplied by 100, as I explained you yesterday. So equation 1 multiplied by 100. So 100x is equal to 123.2323 and so on, equation number 2. And now in the next step we subtract equation 1 from the equation 2. Equation 1 subtracted from equation 2. So write down equation 2 first. 100x is equal to 123.2323 and so on, and equation 1 x is equal to 1.2323 and so on. Change the sign. 100x minus x is equal to 99x is equal to 122.000. So x is equal to 122 upon 99. So in this way you can convert 1.232323 in the form of P upon Q. And now I explain you some special type of non-terminating numbers. How you can convert in the form of P upon Q. So students, there is a digit 3.237 bar expressed in the form of P upon Q. Students, you all are seeing here that there is a digit 2 which is in between the decimal and the repeating digit. 2 is not under the bar. So first of all you displace this digit to the left hand side of the decimal. So the same process, let x is equal to 3.237 bar, it is equation 1. So there is a single digit. See here clearly, there is a single digit between the decimal and the repeating digit. So equation 1 multiplied by 10. If there is two digits between the decimal and the repeating digit, then this equation multiplied by 100. If there are three digits between the decimal and the repeating digit, then equation 1 multiplied by 1000. So there is only single digit between the decimal and the repeating digit. So equation 1 multiplied by 10. Equation 1 multiply by 10. So 10x is equal to 32.3737 and so on. It is equation 2. And now there are two digits which are in repeat condition 373737. So since two digit in repeat, that's why equation 2 is multiplied by 100 again. So write down here equation 2 multiply by 100. So we get 1000x is equal to 3237.3737 and so on, equation 3rd. So in this type of question, you see here, you get three questions: equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. And in the previous examples you saw that you got only two equations, but in this example you get three equations. In this case, when there is a digit between the decimal and the repeating digit, always form three equations, and in this case equation 2nd subtracted from equation 3rd. Equation 2nd subtracted from equation 3rd. So 1000x is equal to 3237.3737 and so on, and equation 2nd is 10x is equal to 32.3737. So 990x is equal to 7 minus 2 5.000, 3 minus 3 0, and x is equal to 3205 upon 990. If this digit can be simplified, then simplify it. 5 6 are 30, 5 4 are 20, 5 1 are 5, 5 1 are 5, 5 9 are 45, and 5 8 are 40. So is equal to 641 upon 198. So you can convert 3.237 bar in the form of P upon Q, whose exact value is 641 upon 198. So this type of various questions in your notebook and you can solve. And if you have any doubt in your textbook, then you can ask me in your class WhatsApp group. And now we move to the third type of decimal numbers, that is known as the non-terminating, non-recurring or non-terminating, non-recurring, non-repeating decimals. These are also known as the irrational numbers. So what is the definition of irrational numbers? So students, irrational numbers So what are irrational numbers? Those numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q are known as non-terminating, non-recurring or non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. So what is the definition? Those numbers which cannot be expressed in the form of P upon Q are known as irrational or non-terminating, non-recurring, non-recurring numbers, non-recurring decimals. So it is the definition of irrational numbers. For example, zero point 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 2 1 1 1 2 and so on. Another example, 0.45 445 445 and so on. 0.37 337 337 and so on. And all those numbers which are not perfect square inside the square root, like root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, all these numbers are irrational numbers, and all those numbers which are not a perfect cube, just like cube root 3, cube root 5, cube root 10, these are all irrational numbers. Pi is also a irrational number, but its numerical value 22/7, it is a rational number, but pi, it is a irrational number. So students, I want to explain some example also of some examples of irrational numbers, that how you can determine irrational numbers between the two rational numbers or between the two irrational numbers. But there is a lack of time, so I will explain you some examples of irrational numbers, that how you can determine the irrational numbers from the given rational or irrational numbers tomorrow in the next video. Thank you.